Hello there and welcome back to another video from DaveTech. In today's video tutorial, I'll show you how to download apps from unknown sources. So today you'll be understanding how to install apps from unknown sources. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. I'm going to head over to the top of the screen. I'm going to click Settings. The next thing you're going to do is come with me to All Settings and navigate down to the option that says System. Under System, if you click there, you should find About. Click on About and navigate all the way down till you find Build Number. So right here I have Android TV OS build. So this is my build number right there. What I require you to do is to click on this number 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you have 7 clicks there, you see you are now a developer. In my case, you see no need, you are already a developer. But what this does is that it gives you the developer settings. So if you come out of this screen and go back to the settings, you can find under System Developer Options. Now, developer options are already enabled. All of these are more developer options. What this does is that it gives you the ability to, when the time comes, allow the Google TV to install an app from an unknown source, such as an APK from the web and what have you. So when you go to download an application from the web or an APK, when it's downloaded, the install process will be streamlined and easy. You need to just click on the app to enable unknown sources, and that app is going to download to your Google TV. So if you found that insightful, if you're able to get your developer options up, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.